Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Bank of Queensland or BOQ online checking and saving accounts in 2023. Bank of Queensland is well-established financial institution in Australia, known for its customer-centric approach and comprehensive banking service. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of setting up your BOQ online checking and saving accounts, empowering you to manage your finances conveniently and efficiently. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, of course, I'm going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly use in this tutorial, or you prefer. Once you do so, of course, you'll have to go and visit the Bank of Queensland website. So go to this URL section and simply type boq.com.au. Sorry, AU, and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this will normally take you to the home screen or main screen of the Queensland website right away. If you have an account already, you can always go log in into it. As an example, if you have like a deposit, credit card or something like that, not deposit, so just a credit card or something like that, or you already have an account, you can always log in into your account because this will prevent you from wasting a lot of time while creating a new checking and saving account on this tutorial, because it will on the application you will find your personal information and your ID verification normally already done. And of course, if you don't know much about this bank, you can always scroll down, read more information about it, because a lot of people will not just want to open a bank account on a bank that they know nothing about. So make sure to go and scroll down, read more information about it, see the reviews of people, see what people say about it, and a lot of other stuff. Once you, of course, that's if you are hesitating. So once you're sure you want to open an account on this bank, you can always go to personal here. Once you go to personal, of course, click on it and you'll find yourself on this page. So if you're a business or anywhere else, make sure to click on personal. Here, as you can see, we have the banking and saving. So we have the transaction account, saving account, and term deposit. So we want transaction accounts and saving accounts, which is checking accounts and saving accounts. So here, if we go to transaction accounts, as you can see, and if we scroll down, so we have bank accounts for everyday banking. As you progress through life's different stages, your life and financial needs may change. Whether you're looking for a new fee bank account, an interest earning account, or you simply want to easy access to your cash, we have an everyday bank account that can suit your need. So everyday bank with no monthly fees, everyday account, our simple institutive or initiative everyday transaction accounts made even better for you with user-friendly feature that help you make the most of your money. So you can access, of course, those just the features, so you can access your money whenever you need exclusively on the all new MyBB BOQ mobile app. And please note, as an app exclusive account, it cannot be accessed via the internet banking. So there's you can manage, of course, your money has been easier. Managing your money has never been easier with an app spend tracking to help you budget and better and bill tracker to give you a hands up when bills are due. And you can, of course, fast, easy payments and pay or be paid instantly with Pay ID if you want to. There's even an option to open an everyday account directly within my BOQ app and start banking with BOQ today. You can learn more, of course, from here. So what can he help you with? So your first bank account or starting your first job, starting your studies, joint accounts. You'll be, of course, this bank will help you with all of those if you want to. And of course, there's add on to your BOQ home loan. You'll be able to add. And there's the tools and calculators for the loans if you want to. So even the income tax calculator if you want to. Other products, you'll be able to find everything here. So if you want this everyday account, you can simply click on learn more. And once you do so, as you can see, you'll be able to apply online from here, or you can scan this QR code to download the BOQ app and get started from there. So you can start from your phone by scanning this QR code, or just go to the Apple Store or App Store if you have the iPhone, type my BOQ, or if you have the Google Store, you can simply go and type my BOQ, install it, and start from there. Or you can start from here, as you can see, by opening now or applying online from here, depending on whatever suits you. So for me, I'm just going to click on open now. Once I do so, of course, I'll have to simply answer some questions and etc. So apply online now for my BOQ account, which is the one for you. So everyday account and future smart saving account or simple saver. So our saving is, so this is going to be customers up to the age of 35 will be issued a future saver. Customers 36 and older will receive a smarter save. And of course, as you can see, our saving account comes with zero hopes to help you save. Simply sit back and watch your saving grow. As you can see, you cannot check both, so you'll have to check one. So we want saving account and of course end future and smart saving account. So we want the checking account, saving account. So we'll have to choose the first option. Would you like this to be a joint account? What does joint account means? That means you're going to open an account with your wife or with your I don't know, with your siblings or something like that. So it's not just personal, it's not just not for one, it's for more than one, which is mean too. So if it's joint account, click on yes. If it's not, click on no. So as you can see, if you click on yes, as you can see, for a joint application, you will sign an invite to the other applicants to fill in their details. If it's no, as you can see, you will not have to do anything. So about the application, you can join in just minutes with easy 7 steps. And you will need to, so this is the criteria that you will need to meet if you want, or to meet if you want to start a banking, saving and checking account on this bank. So you'll need to be 14 years or of age or older, an Australian resident with an Australian residential address, and the account holder application cannot be completed, submitted by an executor, administrator, power of attorney, and legal representative. So keep that in mind. And of course, things you have handy. So your mobile phone with an Australian number, your Australian driver license, Australian passport, or Medicare card. So if you meet this criteria, click on let's get started. And once you do so, of course, you'll simply have to go and finish those 7 steps as we said before. So first, you'll have to provide your contacts details. Then, of course, you'll have to provide your personal information, enter your tax residency, and of course, you will basically have to verify your ID. Then finally, once you finish those 6 steps, the last step is just going to be to review the terms of use and accept on them. Once you do so, of course, you will have to wait like 1 day or two, 1 or 2 business days, and you will have you basically your BOQ or your Queensland bank account right away, and you'll be able to use it. You can even use and download the application on your phone, because this will help you manage everything very easily on your phone instead of going always to your PC or going to the website here. You can use this, of course, the websites even in your phone, but going to the website will be annoying a lot of times. So make sure to even go and download the app, because it will have more features than the phone right here. So you can simply access your account once you have it. And that's gonna be it. So thank you for joining us today in this tutorial on how to create a bank of the Queensland online checking and saving accounts in 2023. Bank of Queensland offers a comprehensive suite of banking service to cater to your financial needs and inspiration. So remember to keep your account information secure, and feel free to reach out to the Bank of Queensland customer support for any assistance you may require. Enjoy your banking journey with Bank of Queensland, and we wish your financial success in the days ahead. So thanks for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one, and I will see you in the next video.